Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I am going to share with you how to crochet this candy. So to make this I have used single crochet stitches and did total 16 round to get this size. Here I made this rib structure to get this texture. So before we start to make this crochet candy, I would request you, if you are watching my channel first time, please subscribe to my channel so you get to know my more creation and ideas with crochet. So let's see how we are going to crochet this candy. To make this, I'm going to use this white and red color thread. This is size 10 cotton thread. Here I'm going to make 2 layers of this thread to give the thickness, and for this cotton thread I'm going to use crochet hook of size 2.5 mm. You will need some fiber filling for this stuffing, needle and scissor. First take your red color thread and leave some long tail like this and make a ring. Here I am going to use a magic ring. So once you have a ring, now we are going to work on this ring. So first make chain 14. So after chain 14, skip your first chain and on second chain stitch make 2 single crochets. So 2 single crochets. Now work in next 10 stitches, and in each stitch we are going to make one single crochet. So 10 single crochet stitches. Now we have 2 chain stitches, so here we are going to decrease 1 stitch. So to do the decrease, take your hook on next stitch, grab and pull the thread. So you will have 2 loops on your hook. Now take your hook, next stitch, grab and pull the thread. Now you will have 3 loops on your hook. Now grab the thread and pull from all 3 loops. So like this we got 1 stitch and we have decreased 1 single crochet. So now we have total 13 stitches. Now take your hook into this ring and make a slip stitch. Now make chain 1 and turn your work. Now skip this chain 1, which is our turning chain, and this slip stitch, so skip this 2 stitches. And now we are going to work in back loop of this stitch. So you can see the stitch has a V shape, so this is the front loop of this stitch and this is the back loop. So we are going to work all our stitches in back loop to give a rib structure to our work in next 2 stitches, 1 and 2, work in back loop, and here we are going to decrease 1 single crochet. So take your hook in the back loop of first stitch, grab and pull the thread. Now take your hook in back loop of next stitch, grab and pull the thread. So you will have 3 loop on your hook. Again grab and pull from all 3 loop. So each time we have to decrease like this. So we decreased one single crochet and we got one stitch here. Now work in next 10 stitches and make one single crochet and work in back loop. So 10 single crochet stitches on your last stitch here. Make 2 single crochets, so 1, and when you work on your second single crochet here we are going to attach the second color. So take the white colored thread. Now grab the white colored thread, grab and pull from this 2 loop. So by that this white color will come on your hook. Now pull this red colored thread and leave this thread. Now make chain 1. So our row number 2 is done and we get this rib structure. So to form one rib structure you need 2 rows, 1 and 2. Now in row number 3 just keep this loose end to this side. When we work on these stitches we are going to secure this thread. So in row number 3 skip turning chain, work in back loop, and here make 2 single crochet stitches. After 2 single crochets, now work in back loop of next 10 stitches and make one single crochet. So 10 single crochet stitches. Now work in last 2 stitches and here we are going to decrease 1 stitch. So again we have 13 single crochet stitches. Now take your hook into that ring and make a slip stitch to complete row number 3. Now make chain 1, turn your work. Now in row number 4 again skip your turning chain and slip stitch, and we are going to work in back loop of these stitches. Work in next 2 stitch and make a decrease. Work all these stitches in back loop. So 1 decrease. Now work in next 10 stitches, work in back loop and make one single crochet. So after 10 single crochet stitches, work in your last stitch and here make 2 single crochets. 1. When you work on your second single crochet, keep these 2 loops, drop the white colored thread and grab this red colored thread grab and pull from this 2 loop, pull the white color thread. So again the red color will come on your hook, and our row number 4 is done, and we get our second rib structure. Again make chain 1, turn your work. Now in row number 5, skip this turning chain, work in back loop of first stitch, and here make 2 single crochets. So 2 single crochets. Now work in back loop of next 10 stitches and make 1 single crochet. So 10 single crochet stitches. Now again work in next 2 stitch and make 1 decrease. So each time when you come from top to bottom, you need to work in last 2 stitch and make 1 decrease. So 1 decrease. Again we have 13 single crochet stitches. Take your hook in this ring, make a slip stitch to complete row number 5. Now make chain 1, turn your work. Now skip this turning chain. Now again we are going to work from down to up. So decrease decrease 1 single crochet. So work in next 2 stitch, skip turning chain and slip stitch, work in next 2 stitch and make 1 decrease. So each time when you come from top to bottom, you need to decrease, and when you start your work from bottom to top, you need to decrease 1 stitch. So 1 decrease. Now work in next 10 stitches and make 1 single crochet. So 10 single crochets. When you work on your last stitch, here make 2 single crochet, and when you work on your second single crochet, again drop this red colored thread, grab the white colored thread and make a stitch with white color, pull the red colored thread. So our row number 6 is done, and we got our third rib structure. So 1, 2 and 3. So each rib structure consists with 2 rows. Now you just need to repeat these stitches, work with white color, make chain 1, turn your work, then skip your turning chain, work in first single crochet, here make 2 single crochet stitches, then work in back loop of next 10 stitches and make 1 single crochet. Then on your last 2 stitch make 1 decrease, then make a slip stitch into that ring, then chain 1, turn your work, skip your turning chain and slip stitch, then work in next 2 stitches, make 1 decrease, then work in next 10 stitch, make 1 single crochet, then on last stitch make 2 single crochet, and when you work on your second single crochet, again change the color from white to red. Like this, you just need to repeat these stitches and work till the row number 16. So at the end of row number 16, you will have total 8 rib structure like this. So we have now 3. When you complete the row number 16, you will have total 8 rib structures. So I will finish all my rows. And so you can see we have total 8 rib structure, with one with red and one with white color. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and total 16 rows to get this size. Now we are going to join these two parts together. So fold this part like this. So in our last row we have 13 stitches, and on our starting row we have 13 stitches. So we are going to make one slip stitch by taking stitches from both the side. So take your hook on first stitch of this side, make one slip stitch, then work on next stitch of this side, take the next stitch of this side, make one slip stitch. So like this we are going to make one slip stitches and going to join these two parts together. So we made this cylindrical shape. Now just fold this inside out. So this is the front side where you can see this rib structure. First I'm going to secure this thread. Now this is our ring. So now just pull this loose end of this ring to close this gap. Like this part get closed. Now just secure this thread and fill this gap with the fiber. Now we are going to close this part. So we have this red color thread on top. So take your hook. So we have 1 and 2 rows. So in first row find the gap and here pull this thread, chain 1, then take your hook on second row between this two ribs, make one single crochet, then take your hook in between these two ribs and here you can find this space. Here make one single crochet, 2, then in between these two ribs find this space. Here make one single crochet, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So total 8 single crochets. So each single crochet we made in between 2 rib structure. So now we have 8 single crochets on the top. Now just pull this thread and cut with some margin. Now take this thread in a needle. Now we are going to close this gap. So what you have to do, take the front loop of first chain stitch here, pull this needle and thread, then take the front loop of next single crochet, pull this needle and thread. So like this, take the front loop of each single crochets and pull this needle and thread to close this gap. Now we are going to make this part. So to make this, I am going to use white color thread. Now take the white color thread and make a ring. Here again I am going to use a magic ring. Now into that ring we are going to make 14 triple crochet stitches. So first make chain 4. This is our first triple crochet stitch. Now to make the triple crochet, grab the thread twice on your hook, insert your hook to that ring, grab and pull the thread. Now you will have 4 loop. Grab the thread, pull from first 2 loop. Now you have 3 loops. Now grab the thread, pull from next 2 loop, then last 2 loop. So this is our second triple crochet stitch. So like this you need to make total 14 triple crochet stitches. Fourteen triple crochet stitches. Just pull this loose end of the ring to close this part. Now top of starting chain 4, here make one slip stitch. Just fold this inside out like this. Pull this thread and cut with some extra margin. Now just secure these loose ends. So I just take this extra thread in a needle and take that thread from the center to this side. Now we are going to stitch this part to this top here. So make one more part with 14 triple crochet stitches and stitch to the other side. So I have stitched the second part also. So this crochet candy is done. I hope you have learned from this video. If you have any questions or query, please do let me know in comment section. So see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.